Baba Yaga with my class.
I'm looking forward to Rainbow in a Box.
The Carnival of the Armies. Baba Yaga. Tire Tale. The Robotics Lab.
The big one at Big Cash Cash.
Francis Footwork. To everything, especially my mum's show, 9 Stories About Love.
Because if you have picture books in your house, you have an art gallery for your children.